Welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a beautiful example of a Range Rover Velar in stock. This one in particular is a 2 litre diesel D200 engine, and this is the HSE. So really nice specification on this car, and finished off with a stunning premium metallic of Charente Grey. Not a car that you see all too often. Starting off at the front, as you can see, we've got here nickel Atlas grey lettering and grille. We've got the likes of surround sensors on this vehicle as well, which does aid to parking the car, and of course it is a dynamic, so we do have the nice sweeping vents and bumpers. We've got some stunning 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels on the vehicle, and in contrast to that we do have these nice bronze accents right round the vehicle. Power folding wing mirrors, deployable door handles, signature to Range Rover, keyless entry, and we do have privacy glass as well. On them deployable door handles we have nice things like walk-away locking and approach unlocking as well. And with the Velar, of course, we do receive a powered tailgate, which I can open with the push of a button or even with the key. Really good size boot on Velar. We've got storage space underneath. We've got cargo netting on the side, we've got tethering points to clamp stuff down, 12-volt charger. If we are wanting any extra space, them seats do fold down in a 60-40 split, as well as having a ski hatch if we want to slide anything through. Jumping into the rear of the vehicle, it's a full ebony leather. Now, we do have the option to recline those rear seats, but you can tell they've barely been sat in. There's no clear signs of wear and tear. We've got Type-C connections in the back to keep everybody connected, and we do have some storage space in the back of those two front seats. One thing as standard on the the HSE, is that you do get Meridian audio as well, Meridian speakers, which sound absolutely fantastic. We've got lots of adjustments in these electrical seats. We do have memory functionality for not only the seats but for the steering wheel as well, as it is electrically adjustable. We've got a full interactive driver's display digital, 14,399 miles on that one. So we've got heated steering wheel, voice control, adaptive cruise control, auto lights, auto wipers, all as standard on the Range Rover Velar. We've got heated windscreen along with the heated seats. Over to the infotainment system, in the latest model year of Velar, we do have the removal of all the dials. Everything is on the screen. That's where the magic happens. So we've got dual zone climate control, all the functionality for our heated seats, cameras, navigation. We've got wireless phone connectivity, including CarPlay and Android Auto. Underneath there, we've got wireless device charging, a bit more storage, along with some more connectivity points. Twin cup holders, more storage space between the two front seats. And if we're looking up ahead, we do have that powered roof blind, which does unveil that roof. Now, this one in particular, even better than a standard, it is a sliding panoramic roof, so I can open that right up, particularly in contrast to that darker interior, lets the light in, makes the car feel even bigger than it already is. So jumping outside, again, this is a Range Rover Velar Dynamic HSE 2 litre diesel, finished off in the stunning Charente Grey. If you've got any questions on this car, please feel free to inquire online or call us through this website. Thank you.